Julius Caesar, a name that resonates through the annals of history, represents ambition, strategy, and ultimate power. His rise to the pinnacle of Roman politics and his subsequent descent chart a tale of brilliance and tragedy, one that has been revisited through time as a monumental narrative of leadership and peril. From his earliest years, Julius Caesar was destined for greatness. Born into the prominent Julian clan, his family was linked to the founding myth of Rome, claiming descent from Venus. Caesar's ambition was clear from the start, as he invested in education, rhetoric, and military prowess with singular dedication. Caesar's entry into politics saw him form the first triumvirate with Pompey and Crassus, a calculated move that catapulted him to the forefront of Roman power dynamics. He was elected consul in 59 BC and expanded his reach through noble political maneuvering. Yet, it was his military campaigns that truly defined him. Caesar's conquest of Gaul is considered a masterpiece of military strategy, showcasing his ability to lead and innovate. His famed crossing of the Rubicon River in 49 BC with his army marked a point of no return, a bold step that ignited civil war against the Senate and established him as Rome's unrivaled leader. As dictator, Caesar enacted reforms that showcased his vision for Rome. He reformed the calendar, initiated public works, and revised laws to strengthen his hold on power while maintaining popular support. His policies aimed to consolidate Rome's greatness, both politically and culturally. However, his unrelenting grab for power unnerved many. The title of Dictator Perpetuo set him apart and made him a target for those wary of monarchical rule. This ambition, at times seen as overreach, alienated him from once trusted allies and fueled paranoia among the Senate. On the Ides of March in 44 BC, Caesar was assassinated by a group of senators, led by Brutus and Cassius. The plot was born from a fear that Caesar's rule could lead to the imperilment of Roman republican values. This brutal act cast a shadow over Rome, sparking unrest and leading to a power vacuum. The aftermath of Caesar's murder was tumultuous. Mark Antony, Caesar's loyal ally, and Octavian, Caesar's ambitious heir, struggled for control, leading to the disintegration of the old order and the rise of the Roman Empire. Even in death, Caesar's influence was profound. His policies endured, his legacy shaped the future of Rome, and his name became synonymous with authority, laying the foundation for the imperial model that followed. Julius Caesar's story is one of triumph and caution. A leader who rose from the political machinations of the Roman Republic to become its most powerful figure, only to fall victim to the inherent dangers of power itself. His tactics, vision, and reforms illustrate the brilliance of his leadership, while his demise serves as a classic reminder of the fickle nature of political fortune. Caesar's narrative is an inspirational tale of ambition and prowess, a lesson of history that continues to captivate and enlighten. His journey from general to dictator to cautionary tale remains relevant in any discussion of power, governance, and legacy.